it's Lynnea, and today I have an unboxing video for the Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kit for February. The theme is Whip It Up, and let's take a look at collection number 1 called Cupcake Cuties. So we have, first off, this stamp set by La La Land Crafts, and it's the Baking Marcy stamp set. I have some sequins by Scrapping for Less. I am missing a couple of items from this first collection. They didn't come in time for me to get my design team kit, but you will get them in your kit. There's cupcake liner papers and a roll of cupcake ribbon by American Crafts. And these are the Cupcake Cuties papers by Scrapping for Less. They're just so cute. I love the bright, the pinks and the blue and the lime green, super cute. Okay, so collection 2 is called Baked with Love, and you're going to get the Baking Luca stamp set by La La Land Crafts. I love that he's a little boy. My son loves to bake, so this is perfect. You're going to get some sequins by Scrapping for Less, and some I can never say it right, but ephemera from Scrapping for Less. I'm missing some stickers by EK Success, but you'll get them in your kit. But these are from Scrapping for Less, and they're just so cute. I love that little whisk, and you can mix it with the bowl and have the little oven mitt behind it. The papers are called Baked with Love, and they are by Scrapping for Less. And I'm just going to take you through them really quickly because they're super cute. And I love that these colors are more masculine. Like I said, my son loves to bake, and I have a little box of cards that as we do things like Christmas time, birthdays, all that good stuff, if there's a special memory, I make him a card and I put it in the box so that he can have it when he's older. So these papers will be perfect for making him a card to commemorate one of the times we bake when we're snowed in or something like that. Here's collection 3 called Let's Bake a Pie. There's this cutie pie stamp set by Lawn Fawn, and I love this little pie. I think it's so super cute. There's recipe labels by Doris. You're going to get 2 big and 2 little ones. Sequins by Scrapping for Less. And then some Handmade with Love round stickers by SB Labels. These are so cute. They say Homemade with Love in that super cute little script. And then Let's Bake a Pie papers by Scrapping for Less. I love these. I think they're so cute. And then the reverse are solids, except for that plaid, which is great for having a background, but then also having some solid colors. Okay, so collection 4, Cookies and Milk. You're gonna get this Cookies and Milk, Cookie Mouse stamp set by Scrapping for Less. And there are a whole bunch of little words at the bottom that you can build together to make your sentiment. Some Baker's Twine by Doris, some sequins by Scrapping for Less, and take a look at these tiny little mouse dies by Gina Marie Designs. They are so cute and so tiny. I think they're adorable. These are the Cookies and Milk papers by Scrapping for Less, and I love these neutrals with the blue. I just think it's so pretty. I especially love the striped one. I am a real sucker for stripes, and that wide kind of crafty brown color, really, I love it so much. And this one too, this horizontal stripes. Like I said, I love stripes. Everyone used to make fun of me when my son was little because I always dressed him in stripes. And so that is collection 4. Next, we're going to take a look at the Banana Split. This stamp set is my favorite in the whole kit, so definitely upgrade to the Banana Split. It's the Whiskey Business stamp set by Scrapping for Less. This is some Diamond Sugar Dust by Craft Decor. It's super shiny and glittery, and it's glitter, and it's like fine glitter. It's so pretty. Some Heart Silver Glossy Dots by Pink and Main, and then these awesome whisk and rolling pin dies by La La Land Crafts. I think those are so cute too. So that is what you'll get for the Banana Split level. Of course, you're going to get 4 envelopes, 1 in each collection, and I'm missing some colors of cardstock, but here I have the 2 sheets of Nina 110 pounds, the Craft, the Sour Apple, and the Wild Cherry. I'm missing Razzleberry and Blue Raspberry, but those will be included in your kit. So make sure you head over to my blog for more information and to see some cards I made with this. Bye!